Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about namespaces in C++. We already saw the uses of scope resolution in our previous lesson and how it is helpful to access variables and functions of a class. Together, the scope resolution and the namespace helps to organize the code and prevent name collision. Let us see in example how namespace avoids the conflict in code. I will begin by copying the existing code and paste it, rename it to namespace, and close the existing project. Come over to delete the temporary files, and I created temp sensors class. And in the main, what I will do here is I will come here and I will erase all the functions, and also I will remove from the main function. Okay, so what I will do here is I will create a namespace using the keyword namespace and the name of the that whatever I want to put up, like GPIO namespace is there, and GPIO will have a class called as pin, and which will have a function. It is fairly simple function, and this function will have a plain printf where I will say configure uh, GPIO pin. Okay, new line and carriers return. And what I will do here is I will again create a namespace and I will call it ADCX. Okay, and class will be like channel. Here again, I will have a void config and which will have printf statement configure ADC channel, new line and carriers return, and I will close it. We can have one global config as well. Okay, to get a clear understanding what is happening here, and this will be called as global config, new line and carriers return, and that is it. So what I will do here is I will create object of the uh, GPIO pin. Okay, so what I can do here is GPIO colon that is the double colon for scope resolution, and here I have the pin, and here I will create a pin object like pin 5. Okay, I will call the pin 5 dot config. Yeah. Now similarly, what I have created an ADC. So I have that ADC namespace, and ADC namespace is having a channel, and I will rename it as channel 1. Okay, and the channel 1 will have the config function, and like we have a global configuration function, so we can directly call this as using our scope resolution. Even if we don't use it, it is the same case, and let's build and see. Okay, so it's showing some error. Okay, it's a private, I will make it public, this as well as the public specifier, and then build it. So it's built successfully. Let me start the Terra term and connect our serial port here. So what I will do is I will flash the mode set it default, and let's wait for a moment. I will clear the buffer and I will press the reset button. So you can see all the functions are called into their respective domain. We have different configs at different locations, means at different places in different namespaces actually. And all the namespaces is having a class. And from that class only, I am creating the objects uh, of the classes. Okay. And then calling that functions, respective functions and the global function using the scope resolution operator. That's it. Thank you.